Hi, Custom GTP here. My name's Keith. We're about to fill up this NeoChanger 300 milliliter. Just finished my hard tubes. We have a 7700K, it's delidded, I'm gonna overclock it. We have a 1080 Ti, gonna overclock that. Well, nothing else really to say. I just, this is my second water-cooled build, so I'm hoping that all of the fittings actually seal up. I've never used these fittings before. They're Barrow fittings. I have a 12 millimeter tubes with Barrow tubes, so I make sure that the tubes and the fittings are the same and matching. That's what I read. They work together. I'm going to put some XSPC coolant in it, white, until I'm waiting for my view to come in. I have a green view that I'm going to put in this. The white might look good though. We're going to see, but I still already pre-ordered it. Got the email today. It's actually going to be here. Ship it from New Mexico. I'm in Vegas, so could be here by Monday. So I have the whole weekend to play with it. Hopefully no leaks. Fingers crossed, right? Let's do this. Okay, we're back. Well, so far, the leaks looks beautiful. Kind of like the white. The remote's pretty cool. That's the white right there. Green tubes, white cooler. That actually color looks good. Colors are nice. Alright, well, I'll be posting more videos. Also look for it on PCPartPicker.com on Custom GTP. It will be called Zombie Hunter 2, because Zombie Hunter 1, same case, same design, blocks, pumps, radiators, number 2. Not going to change up the theme. It's already been featured once. Actually, this case has been featured 3 times. 2 times with a Fallout build. One was an AMD, then I switched over to Intel. Both times featured. They all had different looks, but featured. And then I switched over to the Zombie Hunter, featured. We'll see what happens with Zombie Hunter 2. Featured, please. I wanted my Project Xeon to be featured, but that never got there. That's my work of art, my baby, and I like that one better looking than this one, to be honest with you. So if this one gets featured, I'll be a little upset, because I think it's only because 1080 Ti, 7700K, and the other one has the Xeon and 780 Ti. So, but the other one's better looking. This one's much faster. So, all right, well, thanks for looking, and subscribe, watch my other videos, and see you in the next one.